Hey folks, Dale here again, back after my last video. Only about an hour since that one. But we got the rain. It's coming down really nice. Straight down, nice and gentle. Got some thunder and lightning going on. This is what I was wanting to see. Great for the old garden and the plants and tomatoes. Isn't it amazing what rain will do to plants as compared to watering them by yourself? I don't know what the difference is, but this kind of rain, this nice gentle rain like this, boy, it really gives the plants a boost, you know. And it's nice and warm out. I went in and put my shirt on though. This is mist coming in on the porch, my porch here. But it's beautiful, beautiful rain, beautiful. A little bit of thunder, a little bit of lightning. Nothing major, just nice, a real nice storm. Really gonna do the plants good, I'll tell you. Plus it'll help fill up my rain barrels again. I have a rain gutter running off into a barrel that I used to water my plants, so that'll fill that back up again. And good night to sit on the porch. I don't know if you could hear that thunder, but there's some lightning. It's just an ideal storm, just ideal for the garden. Anyway, I thought I'd come back and show you that it started to rain and how beautiful it is. And if you could, like, share, subscribe. Love you guys. Dale out.